Hey everyone, welcome back to Elegancepreneur channel. Today we're diving into an exciting and profitable opportunity, how to start your own car detailing business in 2025. With more people valuing the appearance and maintenance of their vehicles, the detailing industry is booming. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking for a lucrative side hustle, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to launch your own detailing company. Let's get started. First things first, research and planning are the foundation of any successful business. Start by understanding the detailing industry in your area. What services are in demand? Is it basic washes, full interior detailing, or premium ceramic coatings? Also, research your competition. What are they offering and how can you differentiate yourself? Once you've done your homework, create a solid business plan. This should include your target market, pricing strategy, and financial projections. Trust me, a well-thought-out plan will save you a ton of headaches down the road. Step 2. Legal requirements. Every business needs to be legit, and a detailing business is no exception. Here's what you need to do. Register your business. Choose a business name, register it, and decide on a legal structure: LLC, corporation, or sole proprietorship. Licensing. Depending on your location, you may need specific licenses or permits to operate a detailing business. Check your local regulations to see what's required. Insurance. Get liability insurance to protect your business and assets. Pro tip: consult with a lawyer or business advisor to make sure you're covering all your bases. Step 3. Invest in equipment and supplies. The right tools are essential for running a successful detailing business. Here's what you'll likely need: cleaning products, high-quality shampoos, waxes, polishes, and interior cleaners. Tools: pressure washers, vacuums, buffers, and microfiber towels. Mobile setup. If you're offering mobile detailing, invest in a reliable vehicle and portable equipment. Workspace. If you're setting up a shop, make sure it's well equipped and organized. Don't forget to budget for these expenses in your startup costs. Step 4. Hire and train your team. Your employees are the face of your business, so hiring the right people is crucial. Look for individuals with experience in detailing or a strong passion for cars. Once you've hired your team, invest in their training. Make sure they're familiar with your products, tools, and techniques. The better trained your team is, the more satisfied your customers will be. Step 5. Market your business. Now that you're all set up, it's time to attract clients. Start by building a professional website and creating social media profiles. Showcase your services, before and after photos, and customer testimonials. Networking is also huge in this industry. Reach out to local car dealerships, auto shops, and car enthusiasts. Offer discounts or free consultations to get your foot in the door. And don't forget online advertising. Google ads and Facebook ads can be great ways to reach your target audience. Step 6. Scale and expand. Once your business is up and running, focus on delivering exceptional service to your clients. Happy customers will refer you to others, and word of mouth is one of the best marketing tools out there. As you grow, consider expanding your services. Maybe add paint correction, headlight restoration, or even boat detailing. The sky's the limit. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to starting your own detailing business in 2025. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more business tips and strategies. Do you have questions or want to share your own detailed business journey? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Visual upbeat music, channel logo, and subscribe button animation.